Apple's iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max might be the biggest design shakeup we've seen in years. A fresh round of leaks claims that Apple is about to change not just the look, but the very materials these flagships are made from. And the shift could mean a lighter, cooler, and more durable Pro iPhone. Currently, the iPhone 16 Pro lineup uses titanium, but insiders say Apple may replace it with aluminum on the iPhone 17 Pro series. Sounds like a downgrade, right? Not so fast. A leaked chassis image, first shared by Majin Buu, shows what appears to be a milled aluminum frame. Even more interesting, the rear camera housing is also part of this metal build, instead of sitting on a glass panel. But since wireless charging is here to stay, the leaks suggest Apple will include a small glass cutout on the back to keep MagSafe and Qi charging functional. The move to aluminum could have some real advantages. For one, it's around 40% lighter than titanium, so we could see a Pro iPhone that feels significantly less heavy in your hand. And beyond weight savings, aluminum is a much better thermal conductor. That means the iPhone 17 Pro could finally run cooler during heavy tasks like gaming, video recording, or AI-driven features, powered by the new A19 Pro chip. Pair that with Apple's rumored vapor chamber cooling system, and thermal performance could take a huge leap forward. But materials aren't the only thing changing. Apple is also continuing its push toward eSIM-only models. In the US, iPhones have been eSIM-only since the iPhone 14, and with the iPhone 17 Pro lineup, Apple is expected to expand that strategy even further. Still, not every country is ready to ditch physical SIM cards just yet. That's why leaked parts show that certain regions will still get iPhones with SIM trays. There are some big benefits to Apple's eSIM push. They're more secure, since thieves can't just pop one out of a stolen phone. Plus, iPhones can store multiple eSIM profiles, which is a huge win for frequent travelers. And here's a clever twist. Reports claim Apple may finally put the empty SIM tray space in US models to good use by slightly enlarging the battery. That could mean better battery life without changing the phone's overall size. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 17 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.